welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm trying to recreate this one look that my friend suggested to me, which is to do a Korean makeup look. So without further ado, let's get on with the video. What we're gonna do is to moisturize our face. I'm using this Hydra Fresh Genius. So what we want to do with this is to just pat it on our face. See? Gave that like natural glow. Next, I feel like I want to change my routine a bit. Like I've been seeing like Korean makeup using sunblock as their like base for their makeup. This is Sunplay Skin Aqua UV Whitening Moisture Gel with SPF 50. Let us try this out. Ooh, look at that. Not sure. It feels like primer. I mean the feel of it. It feels like the Hangover primer because it's like a bit tacky. So for foundation, I wanted to try something different, which is this Sunso. Sunso Star Foundation. So I got this in the Hermo gift. It was in there together, so I thought it was a BB cushion, but it turns out to be this foundation, compact foundation. Does it really covers my redness? It makes me look shiny. I look shiny. I don't know, don't like it. So I'm gonna tone that down with this Feed Me pressed powder. Just gonna set it in. Okay, this is the best that I can get for the eyebrow. They're kind of straight, so I'm using this black color Silky Girl eyebrow pencil. So I have like eyebrow hair here that I do not want to trim yet, so you kind of still can see it even though I try to conceal it, but it's okay. For the eye, we'll be using smooth eyeshadow palette from Novo. I've been using this lately. So I'm just gonna use my finger here. So for my base, I'll be using this pink peach color. Just gonna rub it in. Put it all over my eyelid. Look at that pigment. Then using this bronzy creamy color, I'm gonna put it at the center of my eyes here and gently bring it to my outer corner into my crease. Oh, that is so pretty already. In my inner corner of my eyes, I'll be using this. So this is it from both of my eyes. So with this gold color again, I'll be putting it my inner corner of my eyes to pop it. Next, we'll be putting some eyeliner. Here I have this Marc Jacob eyeliner. What we're gonna do is just to draw a line here just to make our eye look longer. See? Just draw downward. Hi! My eyelash are on. Oh, I look so cute. I think that the sunscreen as the primer is really working out good. I mean, I look very dewy. No, I don't look dewy. I look glowing. Like, it looks naturally nice. Do you get me? So next, for the blush, I'll be using this Bella Bamba by Benefits. So I got this in one of the set. I'm not sure which one, but it is this. Oh, it's so dusty because I use it a lot lately. So for the lips, I'll be using this Essence Water Kiss Glossy Lip Color. So for Korean makeup, they usually use lip tint. I don't really have one right now, so I'm just gonna use this. I love the smell of this. And the applicator is like this. So I guess it works. So this is the finished look. I really love that sunscreen as my base because it really helps to set everything in together. So guys, this is it for today's look. I hope you guys like this look on me and tell me how did I do for this look, this Korean. Did I achieve that Korean glow, that Korean look today? Or at least tell me whether it is cute or not. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon on the next video. Bye!